Okay, so this is Broody Taco, and she has been broody for about 3 weeks now, maybe even 4. Possibly could have hatched some ducklings, but she won't accept the ducklings that I tried to give her. And she's now bouncing from nest to nest, and so nothing's hatching, and that brooding instinct is not being tended to. So in order to help Taco, what I did is I actually set up our large dog kennel, and I put the nesting box in the back with the latest eggs that she's been sitting on. She's got shavings, she has food, water. The food contains bits of grit. It contains a little cayenne pepper to keep her healthy and worms at bay. And it's also got some brewer's yeast in there, so she has niacin. And she has about 11 eggs. This brooding area for Taco, I wish it was bigger, but the reason that I decided to put her in here in the first place, one is to try to eliminate nest bucket jumping. Hopefully now, because she only has one nest to choose from, she can hatch these out and she can be a fulfilled mother that she's dying to be. The other reason I did it like this is because our brooding station, our brooding stall that we have set up currently has ducklings in it, so I can't give that to her. But finally, she's become so territorial and aggressive over her nest that she's going after other ducks, going after the geese, coming after myself, the children, and while she is a duck and she can't cause that much harm to myself and my kids and my family, it's more of a nuisance than anything else, and also she could get hurt, you know, going after our feet and us trying to walk away. So I gave Taco the dog kennel. My plan is during the day, when the other ducks are out, I will close the whole coop door here and keep the other duck portion separated with the door that's closed and the duckling brooder area closed. And she will have this door open, so she'll be able to come out, exercise. Occasionally I will open the whole stall door and she can go out and take a swim if she wants to. So she will be getting to move about, and she will be getting some opportunities to move her legs. But with a duck situation like this, where she's been now broody for 4 weeks and nothing's really happening, this is the best I could come up with. So I'm wondering if you've had a similar experience or a similar challenge, and if you have, what you might have done, and if you had a situation where you set it up like mine, or maybe you found a way to make it bigger other than like building a full maternity suite. So let me know your suggestions and feedback. Thanks very much.